Hello boys and girls! For today's video we're going to be doing two-digit subtraction with regrouping. The learning target is I can subtract a two-digit number from another two-digit number using the standard algorithm. The standard algorithm is a step-by-step process where we work right to left, one place value at a time, regrouping if needed. Standard algorithm might not sound like a familiar term, but we actually worked with it a bunch when we were doing addition and a little bit when we're doing subtraction now. It is when we take a problem like this one and we rewrite it into a frame like the one we see here so that it's easier to do the math. Now for this problem we have 67 minus 48. I can determine a couple of things when we're reading this problem. First, the same way that we read books, left to right, is also how we read mathematical problems, left to right. And I know that the 67 in this case comes first. I also know that I'm going to be taking away 48 from that 67 because of that minus sign. So writing it into this frame, I'm going to first write the 67, and then below it, I'm going to write the 48. Since I'm working right to left when I'm doing standard algorithm, I'm starting with my ones place value. Here I have a 7 and an 8. Because the number on top is smaller and the number below it is larger, I can already tell that I'm going to have to regroup because I can't, in this case, subtract 7 and 8. So I'm going to take one of my 10s and I'm going to break it apart into 10 ones, meaning those new 10 ones that I now have and my 7 ones combined give me 17. And in my tens place, I no longer have a 6, but I have a 5. Now I have 17 ones minus 8 ones, which gives me 9 ones. Moving on to my tens place value, I have 5 minus 4, which gives me 1. I have 1 in the 10 and 9 in the ones. So we call this the difference. The difference is the answer we get when we subtract numbers. So I can also check my math by using addition. So I'm actually going to use that difference, 19, and I'm going to add one of my original numbers. We'll do 48. When I add 9 and 18, I get 17. So I write my 7 down there. I put my 10 up there. So 1 plus 1 plus 4 gives me 6. Since I got 67, I know that adds up to my other original number, which was 67. So I know that I got that correct. Now we're going to be moving on to the challenge. The challenge says Mrs. Odom's class won the 100th Day Olympics with an incredible 83 points. They beat the second place class by 18 points. How many points did the second place class score? So reading this word problem, I know that Miss Odom's class received 83 points and that they beat the other class by 18 points. That means that they have 18 more points than the second place class. So to find out how much the second place class scored, I think I'm going to draw a model. I'm going to draw Miss Odom's 83 points, Miss Odom's classes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 tens and 3 ones. Now I'm going to have to take away 18 from all of these place value blocks. I know that I have to take away 8 from the ones, so I can start doing that. I have 1, 2, and 3, but I can't complete that. So I'm going to take one of my 10s from here, and I'm going to move it over to my ones. I'm going to break it apart into 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to continue counting till I can take away 8 ones. So I have 3 here already. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I took away my 8 ones, and I also have to take away 1 10. So I'm going to take this one off. To find my answer, I'm going to count how many I have left, the ones I have not crossed out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 10s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. Looking at my difference that I got here, I think that the second place class scored 65 points. But I'm also going to do it the standard algorithm way so that I can kind of check my work. So 83 minus 18. When I'm looking at the ones place, I see that the first ones number, the first number here, has less than our second number. So I already know that I'm going to have to regroup. I'm going to break apart one of my 10s, leave me with 7 10s. One of those 10s is going to become 10 ones. 10 ones plus 3 ones is going to give us 13 ones. 13 minus 8 is going to give us 5. 7 minus 1 in our 10s is going to give us 6. So we also got 65. You can also use the addition strategy that we saw earlier to check your work again by doing 65 plus 18. And if we did everything correct, we should get 83. So if we do 5 plus 8, we're going to get 13. And 6 plus 1 gives us 8. We get 83. So we got the right answer. And that's the standard algorithm. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching.